fight. Trying to find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a Chicago vlog. I have today off, so I thought it'd be fun if I took you guys with me. I wanted to check out a few stores downtown. We'll be going to Hermes and Lululemon. And if I pick up anything, I'll be sure to do a reveal at the end of the video. So let's get started. Quick outfit of the day. I do have my Pop H earrings. I love these. They're in the creamy white with the rose gold. This is my Vince sweater. I love the ostrich feathers here, so cute. And then these are my comfortable Wit and Wisdom jeans in the black, and then my Hermes booties. I love these. They're a knit and they're more of like a beige off-white type of color. This is my Hermes Pegasus shawl. I unboxed this in my last video, and of course I'm in love with all of these neutral tones. I think it goes really well with today's outfit. And then my bag of the day, guys, is my Picotin in the size 18, gold on gold. This is such a beautiful handbag. It is a nice 46 degrees. It's sunny and there's no snow. So we are on our way to spring weather. Well, I am outside taking the dogs for a quick walk, and there's one of them back there. They just love this park, and it's one of their favorite places. And it's really close to my place, so I have to take them here whenever you guys see on Instagram my dog pics. So here we have Prince. Prince is my youngest. He's 3 years old, and here's the father. His name's King. And yes, they really are father and son. And they just love coming to the park. Prince. So we are at the gym doing one of my workouts, and there's Coach Bree doing her thing. So we're doing our last finishing race. The plank race.
Go! There you go. Partners, be ready on deck. Get ready, get ready. All right, take it back to the beginning, ladies. Come back, Haley, come back. All right, fast as lightning. Let's go, let's go. And we don't. Neck and neck. Who's gonna get it? Who's gonna get it?
Hey guys, happy Saturday. It's a beautiful Saturday here in Chicago. It's like 57 degrees. Thought I'd take you with me. We're gonna head down to Bottega Veneta. It's a boutique I haven't been to yet, so I thought It'll be really fun. We could check that out together. Okay guys, let's go.
Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby.
I like it in the travertine, I think.
Be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love.
I should come out with this in like a metallic. Yeah, we can do a lot of dinners. That's definitely more of a fan.
Baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe.
Thanks for joining me on my trip downtown. I did pick up a little something from Hermes, and this item, it wasn't on my wish list, but it is something that I think when you guys see it, you guys will know it was perfectly in my aesthetic, and I'm so excited to have this one in my collection. It is more of a seasonal type of item in the colorway that you'll see. So let's get into it.
Right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy.
So it's the day sneakers. Isn't this such a beautiful combination? I don't think there could be a more perfect sneaker for me, but in this combination, I could not resist. I mean, not only do you have like more of these beigey taupe type of beautiful color tones, but it's the rose gold. I think you guys know that I love rose gold from Hermes. I will put these on the screen, but these are from the spring summer collection, and my essay said that once they come in and they're gone, they're gone. So definitely if you're able to spot them, I would say to snatch these up. I did get these in a size 38, and these ones, I'll be honest guys, I think that these are even more of my style, my aesthetic than those black ones that I purchased earlier. I don't wear the black ones as much. It's just because my wardrobe, I tend to wear a lot more, of course, the beige, the neutrals. I love my Dior sneakers, the high tops. I wear those sneakers more than the black ones, but I think now that I have these, this will be a nice balance with those high top Dior sneakers and then these ones. Okay guys, well thanks for joining me in today's vlog and reveal. What did you think of my latest sneaker purchase? I love to hear your thoughts. I feel so lucky that they have this particular size and combination in store, truly. Anyways, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will talk to you in my next video. Take care guys.